Here I have REALME C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then languages and input, languages, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of available system languages. So let's pick, for example, maybe Ukrainian, and then to set Ukrainian as your system language, you have to drag it on the first place and language will be changed automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then Система section, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.